Hello, my name is Trina and I garden in Zone 10. Today I'm going to be talking about how to fill our Vego garden raised bed. My husband and I went over the river and through the woods, and I mean literally trying to get wood to line this Vego garden bed. We also went to a composting place and filled several totes of compost and topsoil so that we can fill most of this bed. So it's mostly soil that we put in the bed. So we lined the bottom of this bed with wood. And on top of that, I put the branches and leaves from the tree that I trimmed in the front yard. And then on top of that, we put the compost in the topsoil. The topsoil had a little bit of sand mixed inside. And we just did layers. I did layers of compost, layers of the topsoil, and then I got some perlite, and I put that in between each layer. So I mixed that together, and then on top of everything, I put my Happy Frog organic soil in a couple of bags of soil that I got from Walmart. Walmart had a nice sale where they had bags of dirt as low as $1, and I just got the Miracle Grow from Walmart, and that was $3 a bag. So I still have more to go in our next garden bed in our garage. In my small garden, I have 4 veggie pods, and I'm adding 2 of these metal raised beds. And the reason why I'm doing all of container type gardening is, first of all, we live on a hill and it's very rocky. I mean, there's rocks underneath the little dirt that we have. So it's a lot of rocks, and then it's also, I don't know how the gophers are getting through, but they're getting through some of that. And bunnies and all kinds of things. So I'm trying to lift things up off the ground to make gardening better. And on top of that, I'm a scaredy cat. There's bugs and snakes and all kinds of stuff out there that I don't want to be bothered with. But I don't know. So I'm trying to avoid things, which I know there's things that I'm not going to avoid. I have to fight the snails. I have to fight a lot of little things out there. And sometimes I don't even want to go outside because I'm like, it is a jungle out there. And then we have like a hill full of trees and snakes and everything that's behind our house. So I have to fight with the little critters like every other gardener. For my final layer of soil, I use organic store-bought bags of soil. So, like I said earlier, I used the Miracle Grow, which was $3 a bag, and it was organic. And I used 2 other bags. They were 2 cubic foot, something expert something. I forgot the name of that. But then Happy Frog, which is my favorite, was the most expensive soil. And I layered that at the final layer of soil. And now it's time for me to plant my garden. My starts are already outside waiting to be planted. This is a cooking and gardening channel. And if you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.